Hey guys, it's Dan from My Apple Zone, and yesterday my iPhone 12 Pro arrived, so I thought we would do a quick unboxing and first look. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro, not the 12 or the 12 Pro Max, and it comes in silver, graphite, gold, and Pacific blue. One of the big announcements from Apple was that the iPhone 12 Pro is now 5G for all carriers and all models, and in the US it supports millimeter wave, which is the higher frequency version of 5G, which will allow the iPhone 12 Pro models to reach speeds of up to 4 gigabits per second. It'll be interesting to see what type of coverage I have in my area with regards to both 5G and millimeter 5G. I am on Verizon, so we'll test that out and see what we come up with. So this is the 6.1-inch OLED display. It has a resolution of 2532 by 1170 with 460 ppi. We were all hoping for that 120 hertz refresh rate, but unfortunately we're only stuck with 60 hertz refresh rate. You're not going to see a big difference unless, of course, you're doing a lot of gaming or there's a lot of movement going on the screen. But for most of us, the 60 hertz refresh rate will be just fine. So Apple is introducing the ceramic shield glass that Apple says delivers 4 times better drop performance, and the back is textured matte glass. So it's a stainless steel design. The height is 5.78 inches, the width is 2.82 inches, the depth is 0.29 inches. And it has a 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio and 800 to 1200 nits max brightness and fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating. Comes with the A14 Bionic chip, which Apple claims is 40% faster than the A12. Geekbench reports the A14 has a single core score of 1602 and the A13 has a score of 1334, so that's a 17% performance boost. And the A14 multi-core score, say that 5 times fast, was 4194, and the A13 was 3524, which is a 16% performance boost. So the 12 Pro camera has been improved. It's got an ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto lens. So enough with some of the initial specs. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Apple has reduced the packaging. It's now a more minimalist design, much thinner than the prior packaging for the iPhones. So let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box we have the phone itself. Put that off to the side for a second. So we have some minimalist packaging. Put that over there, and we have the USB-C to Lightning cable, but no charger. Apple has removed the charger because they want to reduce e-waste. So let's go ahead and plug that into our current charger. Oh, it won't work. That's right, it's USB-C to Lightning, so that's going to be a problem. There has been a lot of controversy about Apple eliminating the charger, and I can see why that is. Clearly, if you don't have a USB-C charger, you're going to be stuck having to buy one. If people are upgrading from different phones, or this happens to be your first iPhone, and you open this up and there's no charger, you are going to have to buy a charger. So let's go ahead and look at the phone. Let's go ahead and take the cover off. New design from the prior iPhones. We've got a stainless steel finish on the sides, and it's now squared off instead of rounded off. Let me go ahead and get my iPhone XR and we can compare it. So here we have the iPhone 12 sitting next to the iPhone XR, and it's just slightly shorter than the XR. If we stack them together, you can see that it's a slightly smaller frame as well. One thing I really like about the iPhone 12 is the reminiscent body style of the iPhone 5. So this was the body style or frame that the iPhone 5 used. It was more rectangular or square in shape and wasn't rounded like the iPhone XR is. They went to that rounded shape with the iPhone 6. And I actually like this better. It's easier to hold. It doesn't feel like it's going to slide out of your hands like the older version or the older model. So on the right side, we've got the power on button and standby button. Below that, we've got the millimeter wave antenna for 5G millimeter cell service, if you've got that in your area. Above that, we've got the standard cell antenna, and we've also got the standard cell antenna at the bottom. On the back, we've got the 3 camera setup. Let's go to the left, and we've got the volume up and volume down button, and then the mute button. And on the bottom, we've got our standard speakers and the lightning connector. On the top, we've got our speaker. So I really like the new, or the reminiscent design, if you want to call it the retro design, of the iPhone 12 Pro. Feels a lot better in your hand. I believe this is lighter than the XR. I'll have to double check, but it feels lighter. Feels a lot easier to hold. So all in all, I really like the feel of this a lot better. So let's go ahead and start this phone up. So that's the unboxing and a quick tour of the iPhone 12 Pro. In the next video, I will be setting this up and transferring the data from the iPhone XR, so I hope you'll stick around and watch that video. If you have any comments, please leave your comments and questions down below. If you like this video, please smash that like button. It would really help out the channel, and I'd really appreciate that. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video.